Additional knowledge. Following is a demo code about entering string in C. You need this tool for the exercises. Exercise 1. Declare the data type to represent the information of a student. Knowing that a student includes the following information: student ID, student full name, programming technique score, discrete math score, algorithm data structure score. 1. Write a function to input a list of student information. 2. Write a function to output a list of student information. 3. Classify students based on average score. Excellent, greater than 9.8. Excellent, greater than or equal to 8. Fair, less than 8. Average, less than 6.5. Weak, less than 4. 4. Sort the list of students in descending order by average score. 5. Sort the list of students in descending order by student name. Hint: sort in order in the ASCII code table. 6. Delete students with any student code. 7. Search for students with any name. Exercise 2. Declare a data type to represent information about a flight. Knowing that a flight includes the following information: flight code, maximum 5-character string. Passenger name, maximum 30-character string. Flight date, format string, e.g., April 30th, 2019. Flight time, format string, e.g., 20 hours and 45 minutes. Departure, maximum 20-character string. Arrival, maximum 20-character string. 1. Import flight information list. 2. Export flight information list. 3. Delete flights with any flight code. 4. Add new flights to the list. 5. Sort the flight list in ascending order by year. 6. Search for flights with any flight date. 7. Search for flights with any flight code. 8. Search for flights within the given time period, X, Y. 9. Search for flight information with passenger names whose letters in the names match the required string X search. 10. Catch all possible data binding errors.